Hi everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today I'm making creamy potato and chicken. I'm going to be using the Philadelphia cream cheese and Velveeta cheese, and I'm also going to be using some milk in there and my regular seasoning, which is onion, garlic, pepper, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt. I have my chicken breasts that I already cut up and washed, so I'm going to season that, and then I'm going to actually leave the skin on the potato. You just want to make sure that you wash it really good before you cook it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I cubed my potatoes already, and I still have some onion and peppers I'm going to put in there. So let's season the chicken. Okay. Just gonna add a little soy sauce. Just gonna mix it in with this. So I added a little bit of vegetable oil in the pot, and I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken to it. Pieces out. Now it's gonna go in the oven, so it's gonna cook more in the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna add my peppers and onions, my potatoes. I already took out the chicken. I'm just adding the chicken. I cubed them up smaller. Transfer this to the bowl, and then I'm going to add my sauce in the same pot. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just using the same pot because I'm going to mix everything together. Just want to heat that a little. Then I have my cream cheese. I'm just using one. Vita. So just put my cream cheese. Flour. Okay, so if you don't want the little white pieces, you could actually blend it up first and then you won't see it. But because I'm adding the chicken and the potatoes to it, you won't really see it. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to here, and then we're going to put it in the oven to bake. Going to put a little pepper on top. And some paprika. Just gonna cover it. the foil. My oven is already at 350, already preheated. So you want to bake it until the potatoes are fully cooked, and then you're going to take the cover off to let it brown a little on the top. Okay, just want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you guys next time.